Hey my love, welcome and welcome back. So today we are going to create this look. This look is not only affordable guys, but also easy to make. You are going to need a mannequin head, your crochet needle, your band rollers, your scissors and your comb. You are going to need a wig cap and your hair piece. Now I chose color 350 and 27. To prep the hair, you need to cut the hair into 3 pieces. Now if you are going for a more longer hairstyle or look, you can cut the hair twice. Then if you want it to be more shorter, then you cut your hair into 4 pieces. Now you are going to cut the hair into 3 pieces each. You're going to do the same with the color 27, and then you are going to start blending in the 2 colors together. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more on color blending more colors and using like maybe 2-3 colors together to achieve any of your desired look. I can do that for you.
Ikweluze tebe imitana malanga yayithi ngane yabantu omude mntana omude yayithi ngane yabantu Sthandwa seminyaka omude mntana omude yayithi ngane yabantu omude mntana omude Sthandwa seminyaka